So today we are going to study English faster. What is your name? Witwa nde? My name is Sami. Yitwa Sami. What is your favorite activity? Ukunda gukora iki? Playing football. I teach English every day. Nigisha Icyongereza buri munsi. Students need practice to improve. Abanyeshuri bakeneye imyitozo kugira ngo bateze imbere. Listen careful to the pronunciation. Tega amatwi neza uko amagambo asomwa. Repeat after me. Subiramo nyuma yanjye. Write the sentences in your notebook. Andika interuro mu ikayi yawe. Learning English takes time. Kwiga Icyongereza bifata igihe. So, practice speaking with your friend. Koresha kuvuga witoza hamwe n'inshuti zawe. Mistakes help you learn better. Amakosa agufasha kwiga neza kurushaho. Do you understand this lesson? Se wumva iri somo? Do you have a food to eat for today? Ese ufite ibyo kurya uyu munsi? Ask a question if you don't understand. Baza ikibazo niba utabyumva. The kids cry always. Abana barira buri gihe. So thank you to follow our object today.